kids, today we are going to draw a fun little car. Are you ready? Let's go step by step. First, draw a big rectangle with curved edges. This will be the body of our car. Great start! Now, on top of the rectangle, let's draw a half circle. This will be the roof where people sit inside the car. Perfect! Every car needs wheels, right? Let's draw two big circles at the bottom, one on the left and one on the right. Inside them, draw two smaller circles for the rims. Wow, the wheels look amazing! Next, let's add some windows. Draw one rectangle at the front and another at the back. Cars need windows to see outside. Now, let's make the front light. Draw a small oval at the front, and at the back let's add a rectangle for the tail light. Don't forget the door. Draw a line in the middle and a tiny circle for the handle. To make it even more fun, let's add a road under the car. Draw two lines and maybe some small dots for the road marks. Should we add a sun or maybe some clouds above the car? Let's do that too. Wow kids, your car looks super cool now. Great job! You are amazing artists!